we'll just do a little bit of review. There's a form of equation called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, or the rise over the run, times x, plus b is the y-intercept. In this case, 3 would be the y-intercept for that line because we cross the y-axis at 3. So if we're going to graph the line y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4, then we can pick out two things. First of all, the y-intercept is 4, and my slope is a negative 2 rise and a positive 3 run. So from here, I'm going to go down 2, and I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, there would be a point. Down another 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, and we can see all of the lines that are drawn. If we had a graph like y equals 5x minus 2, we would need to remind ourselves that 5 can be written as 5 over 1, and so our rise from a y-intercept of negative 2 would be up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'd have a run of 1. Another up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. That would be our line. Another thing you might be asked to do is come up with the equation for a line that's already drawn, like this line. So the first thing I need to do is search for the y-intercept. It looks like it's up 4. So I know I'll be adding 4. Now I need to figure out my slope. Well, if I start from that same y-intercept and go down 2 over 5, I can get to the next point. Down another 2 over another 5 gets me to the next point. That means my rise equals negative 2, and my run equals 5. So my slope is negative 2/5. You could write it like that, or just a negative out front and 2/5, all are the same, x plus 4. That would be the equation of that line.